Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a web scraper with Python. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we will learn how to build a web scraper using Python. First, ensure you have Python installed on your computer. You also need to install the necessary libraries. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type pip install requests Beautiful Soup 4 and press enter. This will install the requests library for making HTTP requests and Beautiful Soup for parsing HTML. Next, create a new Python file in your preferred text editor. Name the file web_scraper.py. Now, let's start coding. Import the required libraries at the top of your file. Use import requests for making HTTP requests. Then, use from BS4 import Beautiful Soup to import Beautiful Soup. Now, define the URL you want to scrape. For example, you can use URL equals https://example.com. Use the requests library to get the content of the web page. Type response equals requests.get URL. Check if the request was successful with if response.status_code equals 200. Now, parse the HTML content using Beautiful Soup. Create a soup object with soup equals Beautiful Soup, response.content, html.parser. You can now find the data you need within the HTML. Use methods like soup.find to locate a single element or soup.find_all to find multiple elements. For instance, to find all the headings, use headings equals soup.find_all, h1. Next, loop through the results to extract text. For each heading, print the text using a simple for loop. Type for heading in headings, print heading.text. You can expand this to scrape links, images, or any other data. Use similar methods to target different HTML tags. After you've extracted the necessary data, consider saving it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.